Hey guys, so it's been 2 days since we left Big Bend, Texas, the national park down there. We've had a great trip getting here. It's taken 2 days. We are now at Lake Buchanan in just outside of Austin, Texas. So we stayed at the Brady, the city of Brady. We stayed at the Walmart last night and got a bit of supplies. And now here we are. So, all right, guys. So this is our camp setup here for the next 5 days. This is Tasher's birthday week. Today's Tuesday, and your birthday's what day? Saturday, March 23rd. Last year, where was we for your birthday? We was in North Dakota, and now this year, we're in Texas. Yep, Tasher will be turning 13 on Saturday. So he said he wanted to be in Texas. He wanted to bass fish. And so here we are. That's exactly what we're doing. So he's going through all his fishing stuff here. Morning, guys. So today is Wednesday, March 20th, and we are here at Lake Buchanan still. It's our first morning here waking up. Sounds like the guys that work here at the lake are back behind us over there doing a bit of work, but we're already up and going, so it's not a big deal. But the lake is really calm today. There's no wind, so it looks like lots of fishing and paddleboarding for us today.
Should I go try over there by the rocks?
I think that's a great idea.
Linners.
Lunch and dinner together. What's the word? Winner.
Everything meal. Everything meal.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tasher. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Yay!
What'd you wish for?
Can't tell you.
All right, Tash. First bite. So today is March 23rd. It's Tasher's birthday. Tasher's, what are you in there doing? He's in there counting his money. So we are getting ready to leave and head to Austin. It looks like it's going to be cloudy here today. I don't see any chance of rain, but we're going to head to Austin, and Tasher wants to go explore Austin, see some different shops. We'll probably go look at some skate shoes, mountain bike stores, and probably eat some pizza, and probably go to some camera stores. We found our place that we're eating.
Yummy.
Tash, what'd you get for your birthday? Burger and fries.
Yummy.
Same
Burger
for
and
Tuck.
fries.
Casey and I went with salad and water.
And sweet potato fries.
And sweet potato fries.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
What do you think, Tash?
I didn't even know.
Look at that little crow. It looks good.
Is that fun?
Mm-hmm.
How is it?
Chocolatey.
Hey guys, so we have landed in our new camping site. This is the Ink State Park, and it's still located on the Buchanan Lake just outside of Austin. We're able to land this campsite for, I think, $23 a night for 5 nights. Came here last week. They told us to come back on Sunday. Today is Sunday, March 24th, and that there would be several spots available, and there is. But what we've learned is they meant just for the week, and that they book every weekend. Everything can be reserved here, and so
Yep.
it gets reserved. And every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, they
Yeah.
said they are booked through the entire summer.